हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अनफोल्ड लर्निंग। और आज मैं आपके साथ एक और सोल्यूशन वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जो है फ्रॉम आईसीएसई मैथमेटिक्स फॉर क्लास 9 बाय ए दास गुप्ता एंड ए बनर्जी, जिसका टॉपिक कमर्शियल मैथमेटिक्स हम स्टार्ट कर चुके थे। और आज इसकी फर्स्ट यूनिट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट की एक्सरसाइज 1 भी हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। और एक्सरसाइज 1A के सॉल्यूशन मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बता दिए हैं, वो आप मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को आप प्रेस कर दीजिए। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम फॉर्मूला यूज करने वाले हैं A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, where A is the amount which is equal to the principal multiplied by the bracket 1 plus where R is the rate upon 100 bracket close to the power n, where n is the time taken in years। ये जो time है वो हम years में लेंगे। Next is the compound interest which is equal to amount minus the principal। Starting with the topic use of formula for compound interest। First question is find the amount and compound interest on rupees 12,000 in 2 years at 8% per annum। तो यहाँ पर आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो गिवन है वो जॉट डाउन करेंगे। आपको प्रिंसिपल गिवन है दैट इज रुपीज 12,000, एन आपको गिवन है 2 एंड आर आपको गिवन है 8। नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग इन दिस फॉर्मूला amount A will be equal to P, that is 12,000, 1 plus R is 8 upon 100 to the power n, which is 2. Okay, so now here I'll cancel this by 4 2s are and 4 25s are. So now it becomes 1 2 000 12,000 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole square. So taking LCM and solving this bracket, we'll get 27 upon 25 whole square. Again solving this, 12,000 multiplied by 27 into 27 upon 25 into 25. On complete solution, we'll get the amount as rupees 13,996.80। अब आपको कैलकुलेट करना है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट। सो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज अमाउंट माइनस द प्रिंसिपल। हियर अमाउंट इज रुपीज 13,996.80 माइनस रुपीज 12,000। सो we'll get the compound interest as rupees 1,996.80. Hence this is the solution. Next, second part is rupees 20,000 in 2 years at 10% per annum. So यहाँ पर आपको प्रिंसिपल गिवन है rupees 20,000, n given है 2 and r is given 10. So here again applying in the formula A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So P is here 20,000, 1 plus R is 10 upon 100 to the power 2. So 0 से ये 0 cancel, we'll get here 20,000 multiplied by 1 plus 1 upon 10 whole square, and if we take the LCM, we'll get here 11 upon 10 whole square. So we can write this as 20,000 multiplied by 11 2 times and divide by 10 2 times because square है। तो यहाँ पर जब आप सॉल्व कर देंगे तो अमाउंट विल बी अबाउट रुपीज 24,200। नेक्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट वेयर A minus P is a formula। अमाउंट इज रुपीज 24,200 minus principal, that is rupees 20,000. So we'll get here rupees 4,200 as the answer. Now second question, find the amount and compound interest on, first part is rupees 10,000 in 3 years at 8% per annum। तो यहाँ पर आपको अमाउंट फाइंड करना है और कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है। तो सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पर गिवन लिख देती हूँ। प्रिंसिपल इज 10,000, n is 3 and R is 8. So now substituting here in the formula, A is equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, which is 3. So now we'll solve this. ये 4 2s and 4 25 times cancel हो जाएगा. So we'll get 1 plus 2 upon 25 whole cube. So we can write this as 10,000 multiplied by 27 upon 25 whole cube. जब आप इसको solve करेंगे, we can write this as 10,000 multiplied by 27 multiplied by 27 and again multiplied by 27 and divide by 25 into 25 into 25 because it's cube, तो 3 times आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा. And on solving this, we'll get the value as rupees 12,597.12. Now, compound interest. So, as we know, compound interest is amount minus the principal. Amount is rupees 12,597.12 and principal is rupees 10,000. So, we'll get the answer as 2,597.12. Hence, this is the solution. Second part is rupees 40,000 in 3 years at 7.5 per annum. So here principal is rupees 40,000, n is 3 and r is 7.5, जिसको हम solve कर देंगे. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15 by 2. So amount is equal to 40,000 1 plus 15 upon 2 divided by 100 to the power 3. Now again solving this, we'll get 40,000 multiplied by 1 plus, ये 5 से cancel हो जाएगा, 5 3s are and 5 20 times. So now we'll write this as 3 upon 40 whole cube. So it is 40,000 43 upon 40 whole cube. In all, we'll get the value rupees 49,691.87. And now the compound interest is amount minus the principal. Amount is rupees 49,691.87 minus rupees 40,000. So we'll get the value as rupees 9,691.87 as the answer. Next question number 3. Find the sum of money which becomes rupees 1,323 in 2 years at a compound interest rate of 15%. तो यहाँ पर आपको amount given है, that is rupees 1,323. We need to find principal, that is the sum of money, and n given है 2 and rate is given. Second part is rupees 6,655 in 3 years at a compound interest rate of 10%. So again we have got the amount as rupees 6,655, n is equal to 3, r is equal to 10. Again substituting in the formula, 6,655 is equal to p 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole cube. So ये 0 से ये 0 cancel हो गया. We'll get 6,655 is equal to p, that will give you 11 upon 10 whole cube. So we can write principal as 6,655 multiplied by 10, that is 3 times, and divide by 11 3 times. So on solution we'll get the value as rupees 5,000. Hence this is the solution. Next question number 4. Find the rate of compound interest on rupees 6,500 so that it can amount to rupees 7,865 in 2 years. तो आपको rate of interest find करना है, and we are given principal as rupees 6,500. Amount is given rupees 7,865 and time is given 2 years. So substituting in the formula, so we'll get 7,865 is equal to 6,500, 1 plus r upon 100, let the rate be r. So n की value हम put कर देंगे 2. So on solving this, we'll have this as, we'll take this in the denominator, 7865 divided by 6500. So ये cancel हो जाएगा 100 times 65 और ये cancel हो जाएगा 1 to 1 times 65 से. So 1 plus r upon 100 whole square. Now taking square root on both sides. So जब हम इसका square root निकालेंगे, so we can write this as 11 upon 10 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. And now taking r upon 100 on one side and 11 upon 10 minus 1 on the other side. So we'll get r upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10. So r will be equal to 100 upon 10. 0 से 0 cancel. We'll get the answer as 10%. Second part, rupees 4,000 so that it can amount to rupees 4,630.50 in 3 years. So आपको principal given है rupees 4,000, amount is given 4,630.50 and time is given 3. Substituting in the formula, so 4,630.50 divided by again 4,000, 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 3. So जब हम इसको divide करेंगे, 4630.50 upon 4,000 will be equal to 1 plus r upon 100 whole cube. ये डेसिमल हम हटा देंगे तो 2 0 आ जाएंगे. I'll cancel the zeros and I'll make this as 46305 upon 40 into 1000. And now I'll cancel this by 5. So 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10, 5 6 are 30 and 5 1s are 5 and this is cancelled by 8. So now taking cube root. Now taking cube root. So we'll get here 9261 cube root as 21 and 8 is 2 and for 1000 it is 10. So we can write this as 1 plus r upon 100. So in all we'll get this as 21 upon 20 minus 1 is equal to r upon 100. So on solving this, we'll get r upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 20. So r is equal to 100 upon 20, cancelling this by 5. So answer is 5%. Next question number 5. Find the number of years after which a sum of rupees 3,500 will become rupees 4,390.40 at the compound rate of 12%. So here we are given principal as rupees 3,500, amount as rupees 4,390.40 and rate as 12, and we need to find the time n. Substituting in the formula, 4,390.40 is equal to P 3,500, 1 plus r is 12 upon 100 to the power n. Taking on the one side, we can write this as 4390.40 upon 3,500 is equal to 28 upon 25 to the power n. First of all, taking this decimal in the denominator and cancelling the zeros. Now we can cancel this by 56. So we'll have this here 784 and in denominator 625. So now 784 divided by 625 can be written as 28 upon 25 whole square and we can write this as 28 upon 25 to the power n. Now comparing the exponents, we'll get n is equal to 2, hence the time taken is 2 years. Next is the second part. A sum of 50,000 will become 55,125 at the compound interest rate 5%. So first of all, we'll be writing the given. Principal is rupees 50,000. Amount is rupees 55,125. And R is 5. So now substituting in the formula, 55,125 is equal to 50,000 multiplied by 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power n. So now we can solve this as 55,125 divided by 50,000 is equal to, ये 5 ones and 5 20s are, in all we'll get 21 upon 20 whole. We can cancel this by 125, so in denominator we'll get here 400 and in numerator we'll get here 441. So we can write this as 441 upon 400 as 21 upon 20 whole square, which is equal to 21 upon 20 to the power n. So on comparing the exponent, n is equal to 2 years. Hence this is the solution. Next, question number 6. A sum of money becomes 2.25 times in 2 years at certain rate of compound interest per annum. Find the rate of interest. So यहाँ पर कुछ sum of money जो कि 2.25 times 2 years में हो जाता है. So यहाँ पर हम sum of money को हम x ले लेते हैं. So we'll assume let the sum of money, that is principal, is equal to x. So amount will become 2.25 times of x and n is given 2. Now substituting here the values, 2.25 x is equal to x 1 plus r upon 100 whole square. So ये x से ये x cancel out हो गया. We'll get here 2.25 decimal remove किया 100 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 whole square. On further we can write this as 15 upon 10 whole square is equal to 1 plus r upon 100 whole square. Now taking square root, on both sides, we can write 15 upon 10 is equal to 1 plus r upon 100. This is separate one. So now we can solve this as r upon 100 is equal to 15 upon 10 minus 1. We'll get here 5 upon 10. So r is equal to 5 upon 10 multiplied by 100. 0 से 0 cancel. So r is 50%. 5 tens are 50%. Next, question number 7. A sum of money is invested for 3 years at a rate of 10% interest compounded annually. If the sum of money grows rupees 5,296, then find the sum of money invested. So यहाँ पर हमको time given है, rate given है. So I'll jot down the data. N is given 3, R is given 10, amount is given rupees 5,296. We need to find the principal. So here let principal be equal to x. So amount will be added with this x. So here we can write in the formula x plus rupees 5296 will be equal to x 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole cube. So we can write this as x plus 5296 is equal to x. So ये 0 से 0 cancel. We can write this as 11 upon 10 whole cube. So on solving this, we'll get x plus 5296 is equal to 1331 x upon 1000. Taking this x on the other side, so we'll be left with 1331 x upon 1000 minus x is equal to 5296. So on solving this, taking LCM 1000, we'll have 1331x minus 1000x is equal to 5296. So 331x will be equal to 5296. This 1000 is going to be multiplied here. So x is equal to 5296 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 331. So we'll get here the sum of money as 1. So on cancelling this, we'll get here 16,000. So sum of money x is rupees 16,000, which is going to be the principal. Next question number 8. How much should Ratan invest in an agency which pays interest at the rate of 9% compounded annually to get an amount of rupees 71,286 in 2 years? So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं rate is given, R is given 9 and amount is given rupees 71,286 and time is given 2 years. So we need to find the principal. So substituting in the formula, 71,286 is equal to P 1 plus 9 upon 100 iska square. So on solving this, we'll get 71,286 is equal to P 109 upon 100 whole square. Taking this on the other side, so principal will be equal to 71,286 multiplied by 100 2 times and divided by 109 again 2 times. So on solving this, we'll get the principal as rupees 60,000 as the answer. Next question number 9, which is on the next topic on comparison between simple interest and compound interest. Mr. Das invested rupees 20,000 at a simple interest rate of 10% per annum for 3 years, while Mr. Sinha invested the same sum at the compound interest rate of 15% for 2 years. Who will earn more interest and by how much? तो सबसे पहले हम Mr. Das के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे as a simple interest. Who has earned interest as simple interest. और मिस्टर सिन्हा का कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. तो सबसे पहले मैं मिस्टर दास के लिए सॉल्व करूंगी. मिस्टर दास के लिए प्रिंसिपल गिवन है रुपीज 20,000 एंड रेट इज गिवन, कैपिटल आर होता है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालना है इसलिए 10% एंड द टाइम टी इज 3 years. So now simple interest is equal to P into R into T whole upon 100. Substituting here the values, to 20,000 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3 upon 100. So this cancelled out. So we'll get the value as rupees 6,000. Next is for Mr. Sinha. Principal is same, that is rupees 20,000. Rate is 15% and time is 2. So amount सबसे पहले हम निकाल देते हैं by substituting in the formula. So it will be 20,000 multiplied by 1 plus R is 15 upon 100 to the N is 2. So we can write this as 20,000. ये 5 3s and 5 20s are. So we'll get here 23 upon 20 whole square. So on solution, 20,000 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 23 divided by 20 and again divided by 20. So ये 0 से zeros cancel, 2 hundreds are and 2 50s are. So on solving this, we'll get the value as 26,400. Now the compound interest is amount minus the principal. Sorry, this is 450. So compound interest is equal to A minus P. Rupees amount is 26,450 minus rupees 20,000. So we'll get here rupees 6,450. Mr. Sinha earns more, therefore Mr. Sinha earned more interest by 6,450 minus 6,000, so we'll get rupees 450. Next question number 10. A man invested rupees 16,000 at a simple interest rate of 8% per annum for 2 years. He invested the sum at a compound interest rate of 8% per annum for the same period, how much more would he have earned? So यहाँ पर आपको given है सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड फिर उसने वही चीज कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में की, तो किसमें उसको ज्यादा प्रॉफिट होगा? तो सबसे पहले हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के लिए सॉल्व करेंगे. फॉर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, प्रिंसिपल इज गिवन रुपीज 16,000, रेट इज गिवन 8% एंड टाइम इज गिवन 2 years. So simple interest is equal to P 16,000 into 8 hour and time T divided by 100. Zero से ये zeros cancel हो गए. We'll get the value as rupees 2,560. अब आपको compound interest के फॉर्म में निकालना है. So for compound interest, principal is rupees 16,000 and rate of interest is again 8 and for the same time period n is 2. So finding the amount is equal to 16,001 plus 8 upon 100 is the whole square. So on solving this we'll get 16,001 plus 4 2s are 4 25s are, this becomes 27 upon 25 whole square. So 16,000 multiplied by 27 into 27 upon 25 into 25. So on solving this we'll get the value as 18,662.40. अब आपको निकालना है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट विच इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट minus the principal. Amount is rupees 18,662.40 minus the principal, that is 16,000. So we'll get the value as 2,662.40. So आप देख सकते हैं सबसे ज्यादा उसको इंटरेस्ट मिला है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में. So we'll write here therefore compound interest will earn more and by rupees 2,662.40 minus rupees 2,560 will get the value as 102.40 as the answer. I hope आपको मेरे सोल्यूशन वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे होंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. एट लास्ट डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक and share my video with your family and friends, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.